ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यासत्रयोदश 13th अभ्यास। I will read page 26 quickly. It is very similar to yesterday. Today also we are going to see Panchami Vibhakti. Today's subject is Yushmad. Yushmad means you, but the whole Rupa. So for example, Tvam is you. So here they have given in the page 26 first line, first word, they have given Yushmad, tu. The difference between Yushmad and tu is Yushmad is all forms of tu. So Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. This is the first Prathama Vibhakti of Tvam. Yushmad is all 7 Vibhaktis. There is no 8th Vibhakti, all 7 Vibhaktis. So Tava will be 6th Shashti Vibhakti. All this we will see later today only. Yushmad, tu, Sarvanam. Other words today, Ankuraha, Ankura stem, sprout, whatever. Praja, subjects, Mantri, etc. People. Bijam, seed. Then they have given Dhatus, Udbhu, Nikalna, Udbhavati. Prabhu, Utpan hona, to come from, to be born, to become Samarth is to become capable, Prabhavati. Jan, Jayate, Utpanna, to Utpan hona, to be born again. And Ni, Li, Ni plus Li, Ni Upasarga Purvaka, Li Dhatu. So the first one we say is Upasarga. Ni Upasarga Purvaka, Li Dhatu is to hide, Chipna. Then they are given some Avyaya Shabdas. Ati is Adhik. So for example, I'll give an example. Ramaha Krishnat Adhikaha, Krishnat Ati Ati Chaturaha Asti or Ati Guruhu Asti. Ati here they have given one example, Patuhu. Ati Patuhu Asti. So he is smarter than Krishna. Rama is smarter than Krishna. Krishnat is Panchami Vibhakti. Ati Adhik Iva Tulya. Iva means like. So if we want to say two people are similar, we say like. This person is like that. Rama Krishna Iva. So Rama like Krishna is Chatura, Patuhu. Chet, if. No chet, if not. So one nice example will come later for if and if not. Then Gha, Visheshna Shabdas. Patuhu, Patutaraha. Patuhu is smart. Patutaraha is smarter than. So if there are two people, we say Patutaraha. If there are more than Ekanamisha. If there are two people, we say Patutaraha, Gurutaraha, etc. If there are more than two people, Patutamaha. So if somebody is the best, this will become Uttamaha. If someone is best in running or best in intelligence, we say Patutamaha. If among two people they are better, Patutaraha. Tara Pratyaya. This is called Pratyaya. Now we are reaching advanced Sanskrit. When we come to Pratyayas, etc., we are already in college level, MA level Sanskrit, where we talk about endings of the word. So Patu Taraha has Tarap Pratyaya. It ends in Tara. Patu Tamaha has Tamap Pratyaya because it ends in Tama. So this Pratyaya, when, for example, in other classes, in Vedanta classes, when somebody says which Pratyaya this is, you have to see the end of the word. How the end of the word goes is that is a Pratyaya. Patuhu Patutaraha, Guruhu Gurutaraha. Guruhu, we have already seen Guru Shabda to be teacher. Here, Guru Shabda means heavy. heavy. The same shabda has different meanings. So here guru means heavy or more noble, more kinder, etc. In those senses guru is used. Shreshta, Bahu Shreshta, Ati Shreshta, Guru. And then same Guru Taraha. They are better, or they are more noble, or they are heavier, etc. Duram, long, far away. Samipam, Parshvam, Nikatam all mean nearby in different senses. For example, Samipam usually means, generally it is used in terms of the same city or the same town. He is living close to me, etc. Parshvam is very close, or it is on my bed. It is that close sometimes. And Nikatam is sometimes used in this sense or in a farther away sense. So is Nikatam in terms of India is Nikatam to Pakistan or some other country, whatever. India is Nikatam, or this country is closer to that country in that sense. Nikatam. Vyakarana, Yushmad.
Usually we see more Samipam than Nikatam in our text.
Yes. So Samipam is the most common word. And Samipam is a versatile word. So Samipam can be used in different senses. Generally people use Samipam only.
Okay, yeah.
It is better to know only some. If you can remember only one of these three words, remember Samipam.
Correct.
Vyakarana, Yushmad, Kru Dhatu, Panchami. So today's class, today's session, today's Abhyasa, like yesterday's Abhyasa, will also follow Panchami Vibhakti. Yushmad Shabd ke pure roop smaran karo. So please see page number 77. Sundarji Prathama Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam.
Tvam, only the first line.
The first one, Tvam.
No, Tvam Yuvam Yoyam.
Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam.
When there is an option, read the first option.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So then, Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. Tvaya, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhihi. Okay. What do you have to do?
No, Tubhyam.
Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam.
Okay. Now, Sandhyaji Bhavati Vadatu. Hariji Sandhyaji, you have found it, right? Page number 77 on the PDF will be 85.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So, Hariji Vadatu Bhavan, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami.
Panchami, Shashti. Panchami is Tvat. Yuvabhyam, Yushma.
Yushmat.
Yushmat, sorry, Yushmat, correct.
Shashti.
Tava, Tvat, Panchami again, Tvat, Yuvabhyam, Yushmat, Tava, Yuvayoho, Yushmakam,
Saptami.
Tvai, Yuvayoho, Yushmasu.
Okay, great. I suggest all people to go and see this when they have time. At least read it out. Like quickly read. Tvam Yuvam Yoyam. Tvam Yuvam Yushman. Tvaya Yuvabhyam Yushmavi. Just read out so that the mind gets used. The words, the mouth gets used to saying these words. And then please see page number 101 for Vidhiling Dhatu. Kru Dhatu in different lakara. Vidhiling lakara and ring. No, today is Rit lakara. Sandhyaji, have you found? Page 101. Okay. Hariji, you have found?
No, I'm searching actually.
No worries.
What
Yeah.
to do?
Okay.
I have which lakara?
Vidhiling.
Vithiling. Kuryat, Kuryadam, Kuryu.
Kuryoho.
Kuryuhu. Kuryoho,
Kuryaha.
Kuryatam, Kuryat.
Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryata.
Yeah, so Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryata,
Kuryata.
Kuryam, Kuryova,
Kuryava.
Kuryava, sorry, Kuryava, Kuryam,
Kuryama.
Is also looking like O.
Sometimes when we have those chotu so many 3-4 chotu things we get like for example if we have to write certain words which have au and also ir, it's so hard to write that we have to see after writing we have to see is it au or ro, and our own handwriting sometimes is confusing, so it only takes time. Sandhya ji, you have found?
Yes.
Okay, you will read Rit Lakara, please.
Karishyati, Karishyatah, Karishyata, Karishanti, Karishyasi, Karishyat,
Karishyatha,
Karishyatha, Karishyat,
Karishyatha,
Karishyami.
Karishyatha.
Third one also Karishyatah.
Second one is Karishyataha. Third is Karishyatha. Visarga, that aha is there only on Dvivachana. Bahuvachana, no Visarga.
Yeah.
And then
Karishyat, Karishyami,
Karishyami,
Karishyavaha, Karishyamaha.
Samikchana. So I suggest again just to read all these at least once. I'll take 5 minutes to read quickly, just so that the mouth knows how to say these words. Third point in Vyakarana.
The list on the right side is Abdanepadi, is it?
What is on the right side?
There are 2 sets of forms
Left.
for Vithiling itself in page 101.
I'll see, 1 second. So this is Kriyadi Gana. So Kru Dhatu, we saw Gana in the beginning, right? Right at the beginning, we saw Gana. Kru Dhatu is a bit, this next one is Kri, right? Kri is Kharidna, to buy. You see? The first one is Karna, on the left. You see the top of page 101, first line of page 101.
Okay.
On the left is Kri Dhatu, Karna. On the right is Kri Dhatu, which is a different Dhatu. Kri is to buy. Is written, right? Kri Dhatu is to buy. So Skrinati and all is that Dhatu. We want only Kri Dhatu now. That Krinati will come later, maybe in this book or the more advanced book. I am not sure where it comes, but not today. थर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्याकरण, उद्भू आदि धातुओं के क्रमशः ये रूप होते हैं उद्भवती, प्रभवती, जायते, निलीयते. सो यू सी देयर आर डिफरेंसेस. इट विल नॉट बी जायति, इट इज जायते. दैट इज हाउ द धातु declines. That is how the grammar is formed.
So how the jayate,
Jayate.
what would be the
Jayate, jayete, jayante.
jayate, jayate. So
It
have
is
we
there.
done that before? Have we done the jayate, jayate?
No, we have not done it, but it is there in the book.
Okay.
For today, we will need only the Ekavachana. Today's Abhyasa uses only Ekavachana. But if you are interested, it is there somewhere after 101.
Okay.
You will find it. Niyama, I'll just quickly read Niyama, but what we have to understand in Niyama, actually, I'm just going to quickly explain what is there. If you are more interested, you can read it later. They are going to say where all Panchami Vibhakti is used. So, for example, Niyama 32 talks about Panchami Vibhakti in the sense of those three dhatus, Udbhavati, Prabhavati, Udgachati, Jayate, Niliyate, etc. So, they have given examples on the fourth line of this. On the third line of the Niyama 32, they say Prajapatehe lokaha jayate. From Prajapati, this whole loka came. The Jagat, world has come from Prajapati. Prajapatehe lokaha jayate. Athava udbhavati va. So the same meaning for jayate and udbhavati. It is born. It has arisen. It has originated from, etc. That meaning.
We also did not do in any of the word where Prajapati become Prajapate.
We did. Hari Shabda came.
Prajapati, yeah,
Hari and so Prajapati will be like Hari because it is also Ikaranta Pullinga.
Yeah, Hari. Okay.
So Harehe,
Harehe.
Prajapatehe,
Yeah.
Panchami.
I was looking for that.
Niyama 33. They are given Dan. So if you remember page number 8, Abhyasa 4, we had seen the meaning of each Vibhakti. Panchami Vibhakti in English, for example, is from and dan, usse. So from and dan both follow Panchami Vibhakti. I am coming from Rishikesh. Aham Rishikesha Nagarat. agachami. I am coming from Rishikesh. Or Ramaha Krishnat Patutaraha asti. Ramaha is more intelligent than Krishna. So when you see from and than, Panchami Vibhakti. I hope everyone is okay with this. And here they have given other examples. Dhanat Jnanam Gurutaram. Dhana. From Dhanat is more than Dhana. Jnana is better. Jnana is better than Dhana, money. And last niyama, 34 niyama on this page. दूर और समीप वाची शब्द में पंचमी, द्वितीया और तृतीया तीनों विभक्तियां होते हैं. So when you say दूरम और समीपम, sometimes you will say समीपेन, तृतीया विभक्ति. That is also okay. Sometimes you say समीपम, द्वितीया. That's also okay. समीपात, panchami. That is also okay. So all three are used interchangeably only in terms of samipa. Samipa and dura are a speciality in this case. Other shabdas they don't have. They have only panchami. Only these two allow dvitiya and tritiya. I will see page 27. Abhyasa, I am going to read Udaharan Vakyas, then Sanskrit Banav will take turns. Okay. Udaharan Vakya. Bijebhyaha ankuraha jayante. From the bija, from the seed, ankuraha jayante, stems, sprouts come. They are born.
So here from seeds, because here the word
Bijebhya, correct, from seeds. Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam it is.
Yes.
Yeah, so
because if it was only Ekavachanam, it would be Bijat.
Bijam. No.
Bijat, right?
Bijat.
Bijat.
Correct.
Bijat. Bijaha is like Ramaha. So, Bijat. Bijabhyam, Bijebhyaha.
Correct.
Bijebhyaha ankuraha jayante. From the seeds comes sprouts, stems. Ramayaha Uma Patutara. So, Uma is more intelligent than Rama. Patutara. Aham durat agachami. I am coming from far. Ramaha Krishna Iva. Krishna Iva like Krishna. Tara, Krishna ke taraha. In Hindi, Krishna ke tara. Ramaha, like Krishna, is very intelligent and guruhu, good also. It can also mean heavy. It can also mean both are fat. We don't know in this case, but we can say good or both heavy. Yeah, in this case, Shrestha is a good word because they have said Rama and Krishna. And use some other word for fat. But Shrestha.
When we use the word patuhu,
yes.
You just said that in the beginning, right? How do we differentiate between patutara? Where do we use it? Patuhu, where do you use it?
Patu is for one person. So patuhu. If I say Sundaraha Patuhu Asti,
yeah, okay.
Sundaraha is intelligent.
Right.
Sundaraha Ramat Patutaraha.
Correct. Cleverer than him and so on. Yeah, okay.
Sundaraha Ramat Krishna or Sundaraha Manushyebhyaha Patutamaha. He is very intelligent among people. So one among many will be Tamap. One among two, Tarap.
It's Purushottama.
Purusha, but that is Uttama. Purusha Uttama. That is two different words.
Here also, isn't it from Uttama only?
Uttama, but Uttara cannot mean better, right?
Yeah, okay.
Uttama is a word of its own. Best.
Thank you.
Then there is a very interesting word given, a very interesting sentence given, fifth sentence. तुम पढ़ते हो तो पढ़ो, नहीं तो यहाँ से हट जाओ. त्वं पठसि चेत पठ. If you want to study, you study. Otherwise, no chet. Itaha duram gaccha. Go away from here. Go far away from here. Itaha duram gaccha.
Sorry, I was searching for the word itaha. Where did we cover itaha?
Itaha atra.
Atra
panchami vibhakti is itaha.
Atra panchami vibhakti. Okay. I don't think we did the vibhakti of atra.
Itaha came on its own, I think. Itaha has come of its own in one of the avyaya shabdas in one of the abhyasas. Itaha, ataha, tataha, I think they have all come together. Kutaha, one of the abhyasas. Then, tvam patasi yuyam patatha. You are studying, you are all studying. त्वाम पश्यामि युष्मान वदामि. Seeing,
Why me?
I am seeing you. Tvam is which vibhakti?
Tvam is of two. Of it is the Dvitiya vibhakti.
Correct. So I am seeing you. You are the object. Tvam pashyami. I see you. They have not given aham here. They have given up aham. Aham tvam pashyami and patvam pashyami.
Yeah, I saw the second vibhakti.
Yushman vadami. I am talking to you. Tvaya saha kaha eshaha asti. With you, who is that? Kaha eshaha. Tubhyam yushmabhyam va kim rochate. Tubhyam yushmabhyam va. Tubhyam and yushmabhyam are the same meaning. They are different options for the same word. For you, what do you like? Tubhyam yushmabhyam va.
See, Tubhyam and Yushmabhyam is given as Bahuvachanam. And Tubhyam is Ekavachanam. So it doesn't mean you and you all. So
no,
like
but
that.
see, rochate will be the same for both.
Both.
So they have said va. What do you like? What do you all like?
Yeah.
Both will have rochate
Rochate.
only.
That's correct. That's correct.
So they have. Tava griham kutra asti. Where is your house? Sahe etat karyam kuryat. Tvam kuryaha. Aham cha kuryam. Vidhiling. Vidhiling prayoga is used here. Sa bhojanam karishyati. He will eat. Is rit lakar. Okay. Now we are going to see together. Any questions before we begin? Because this will get over quickly. Because yesterday also we did Panchami. It will not be so difficult. Hariji bhavan vadatu prathamaha. बीजों से अंकुर उत्पन्न होते हैं. फ्रॉम द सीड्स स्टेम कम्स. स्टेम्स कम.
बीजों से अंकुर उत्पन्न होते हैं. बीजों मीन्स more बीज.
करेक्ट. बहुवचन है.
बीजः from his fifth vibhakti. बीजे 11 second. बीजेभ्यः.
करेक्ट. बहु समीचीनं. बीजे.
रामः रामौ रामाः. So it's plural again there.
Yes.
So अंकुराः.
करेक्ट.
जायन्ते.
वंडरफुल. बहु समीचीनं. संध्या जी भवती वदतु. प्रजापति से प्रजा उत्पन्न होती है. फ्रॉम प्रजापति प्रजा कम.
So in Jayante, even though it's all Bahuvachanam here, would you say Jayante or it is the plural Jay?
Jayante is the plural.
Jayante is the Jayate.
जायति जायते जायन्ते, right?
जायते जायेते जायन्ते.
Jayante.
जायते आत्मनेपदं, right?
Correct. Samichinam. Yes. We have not reached there. You are already advanced.
Yeah.
It will come later.
Normally I would have said Jayati.
हाँ.
Jayati is the one that is intuitively coming.
Correct.
But
So we have to see which dhatu declines in which
Yeah.
way. That will come with practice. It will be okay.
So Udbhavanti it will be?
No, here Udbhavati only, right? They have given this in third
Yeah, but in Bahuvachanam,
Udbhavanti.
Udbhavanti.
Jayate. So Jayante.
Yeah.
Udbhavati means Udbhavanti.
Udbhavanti.
संध्या जी भवती वदतु. प्रजापति से प्रजा उत्पन्न होती है.
प्रजापतिभ्यः.
Why प्रजापतिभ्यः?
पंचमी.
हाँ, but Prajapati is like Hari Shabda and there is only one Prajapati. So,
Okay, Prajapati only, right?
Prajapati, page 63
One second.
or page 71 in the PDF.
71.
That is 63 in the book, 71 of PDF.
Sandhya ji, from my personal perspective, I found it useful to print this page 63.
Page 63, page 63 or 71, you have found?
In 71 we have this Upanat Shabda.
So you go to 63. So you are correctly seeing Sanskrit words. Sanskrit you have seen 71, right? You go to 63 of Sanskrit.
71 in Sanskrit.
No, 63 in Sanskrit.
63 in Sanskrit, okay. 63, 68, 65. Yeah, got it. 63.
Okay. You see
Ram.
Hari or Vishnu second below Rama.
Hari Shabd. Yeah.
There Panchami Vibhakti Ekachana is what?
Hare.
So Prajapati will be?
Prajapate.
Correct. Prajapate he. Hare he. So Prajapate he. Prajapate he प्रजा उत्पन्न होती है will be?
Prajapate he. Praja will be this word.
Ekachana only. Praja. Praja only.
Prabhu, right?
Praja, no. See first line of page 26. Praja is Praja only.
It's Praja. Okay, Praja, sorry.
Praja.
Praja.
हाँ.
Praja उत्पन्न होती है. उत्पन्न होना.
हाँ.
प्रभे.
प्रभवती. Correct. प्रभवती. जायते प्रभवती उद्भवती any word you can use. प्रजापतेः प्रजा उद्भवती अथवा जायते अथवा प्रभवती. Okay. Focus. सुंदर जी वदतु भवान. हिमालय से गंगा निकलती है.
हिमालयात गंगा उद्भवति.
गंगा हिमालयात.
हिमालयात. गंगा.
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 Ganga is coming from Himalaya. Prathama. Ganga only Prathama. Strilinga Shabda, right?
Strilinga Shabda and Rama.
Like that. Prathama Ekachana is?
Rama.
Ganga.
Yeah, so Ganga.
Himalayat Ganga
Udbhavati.
Udbhavati. Okay. सेनापति से चोर छिपता है. We'll see one more example each of us and then we'll go to next one. हरि जी भवान वदतु. सेनापति से चोर छिपता है.
सेनापति से सेनापति in the fifth vibhakti. So it is senapate, same as before.
Correct. सेनापते है.
Chor is singular, so choraha.
बहु समीचीनम. छिपता.
This is niliyati or niliyate?
Niliyate. See the third point of Vyakarana, page 26, last word.
Third point of Vyakarana.
Vyakarana Yushmad Kru Dhatu Panchami is there, right?
Okay. Udbhuda and all that. Okay. Niliyate, correct. Okay, niliyate.
You are correct. See, this is the intuition that we are talking about, right? Grammar is about intuition sometimes. So, Niliyate is correct. Sandhya ji, Bhavati vadatu. देवदत्त से यज्ञदत्त अधिक चतुर है. In Sanskrit?
I'll start.
Yes.
Devadatta.
Devadatta se. So, Panchami Vibhakti of Devadatta will be what?
Devadatt.
Devadattat. Devadattat.
Devadatta. Yajnadattaha. Patta, pattu, taraha.
Bahu samichinam. Bahut patudara asti. Asti because third person. Prathama Purusha, right? Samichinam. सुंदर जी बोले तो धन से विद्या अधिक अच्छी है. इजी.
धनात् विद्या गुरुतरम.
Gurutaram will be if you are talking about pustakam or griham. Napumsakalinga. Gurutaraha if Sundaraha Ramaha. Now we are talking about Vidya, Strilinga Shabda. So it will be Gurutara.
The Strilinga is that Rama, isn't it? It's coming from Rama. Okay.
So Gurutara. The adjective follows the noun, right? The noun form leads the adjective form. If you are going to give adjective form, generally it will be following the same ending. You have to see the ending of the words. Ending will be similar. Okay.
So here also it only be Vidya. It won't be Vidya.
No, Vidya only. Of
Vidya.
Course only Vidya. Prathama Vibhakti.
Prathama Vibhakti.
तू यहाँ आया. हरि जी वदतु. तू यहाँ आया. हरि जी भवान वदतु. which lakara first? Aya. You came.
Past tense.
Past tense is?
Tum.
Samatra. Past tense is lang lakara.
Tum atra. Verb is agachat. No. Tum. Tvam atra. Sorry, I
No worries. It's okay. Agachaha. Because 101 page lang lakara madhyama purusha ekavachana. Or sorry, 99 page whatever. Agachaha. You came. Bhavaneva, Hariji, Bhavaneva vadatu. The same in Bahuvachana. How will you say? Tvam atra agachaha. In Bahuvachana will be?
Tvam. Let me just refer to that.
Sure.
Tvam.
Tvam in Bahuvachana. Tvam yuvam.
Tvam yuvam UM.
UM.
It is UM.
Correct. UM.
UM atra.
Atra.
Atra agachante.
No, agachante. Agachanti. Agachante will be for Prathama Purusha. Bahuvachana.
Okay. Agachatha.
Correct. Agachata.
Yeah.
Very good. Wonderful. Samichin. Sandhyaji, Bhavan vadatu. We are going to do मैं तुझको देखता हूँ. You can do, I think. Number 12. मैं तुझको देखता हूँ. You are the object. So मैं will be Sandhyaji bhavati vadatu. Aham. तुझको. तुझको will be which vibhakti first. In this way, if we think, we will get it. तुझको. So you are the object. Which vibhakti?
1 second. Tudzko. Panchami.
No, you are the object. See, first vibhakti is subject. Prathama vibhakti subject. Dvitiya vibhakti object. Tritiya vibhakti with, by, through, etc. All this is in page number 8. Chaturthi is to and for, Panchami from, than. So you have to see Dvitiya vibhakti of Tvam Shabda. So page number 77, Dvitiya vibhakti Yushmad Shabda Ekavachanam.
हाँ 77 त्वम word
द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन
द्वितीय एकवचन त्वम
त्वाम
त्वाम
हाँ त्वाम right
त्वाम yeah
त्वाम so aham tvam I am seeing you I see which lakara I see you I am seeing you which lakara present lat lakara correct so lat lakara will be what I am seeing you pashyati pashyatah pashyanti pashyasi pashyatah pashyatha then aham tvam
1 second पश्यथा
aham gacchami aham agacchami aham खादामि aham क्रीडामि aham
sorry I'm not able to connect
it's okay so aham tvam pashyami okay pashyami is like ami in lat lakara ami is always the ending of uttama purusha ekavachana I am seeing you so if you see aham you will always say ami whatever pashyami kridami gacchami agacchami whatever and if you see saha always ati gacchati patati kridati agacchati whatever this is called vikarana pratyaya but now we don't need that but this is the ting pratyaya so you see pratyaya is what comes at the end patati has ting pratyaya like how we saw patutara has tarap pratyaya tarap each they have specific words. We'll see in this book they come at the end. Okay, so aham tvam pashyami, if you have to say in bahuvachana, will be vayam tvam only pashyamaha. Or if you want to say we are seeing all of you, all of us are seeing all of you, then it will be vayam yushman pashyamaha. Okay, Sundarji vadatu bhavan. Which one will do? तेरे साथ वहाँ कौन है?
Okay, so
13.
Number 13. तेरे साथ वहाँ कौन है? त्वया सह तत्र किम अस्ति?
कहाँ अस्ति? कौन is कहाँ? Kim is what?
Kim is what?
So कौन is who, right? कहाँ.
कहाँ अस्ति?
त्वया सह तत्र
तत्र कहाँ अस्ति?
कहाँ अस्ति. Wonderful. And if you had to say in bahuvachana,
so it would still be the Tvaya, the Rama, so the Bahuvachanam of Rama, no, Tvaya, okay. So Tvaya is Yushmabhihi.
युष्माभिः सह.
Yeah, Yushmabhihi saha tatra kaha asti. Or
okay. कहाँ कहो K also you can say. K santi.
K santi.
Okay, that's good. Then Hariji, number 16, Vaha Kam Kare. You don't have to translate, you just say which lakara it is. Vaha Kam Kare. Bhavan Vadatu Kim lakara asti atra.
Vidhiling.
Vidhiling Samichinam. संध्या जी भवती वदतु तू भोजन करेगा विंशति किम लकार अस्ति अत्र
Past.
तू भोजन करेगा
करेगा. Instruction it's right.
no you will do this is और मैं स्नान करूंगा सी एकविंशति 21 एकविंशति पश्यतु
It's present.
करूंगा करेगा is future. I will do.
करूंगा. Okay.
हाँ.
Future.
हाँ. So this will be
Lit lakara.
correct. Samichinam. Lit lakara. Okay. So now we see Ashuddha Vakya to Shuddha Vakya. Senapatina choraha niliyate. Senapatehe. Because Panchami Vibhakti. Senapatina kim Vibhakti asti? Kasmin Vibhakti asti? Senapatina. Kopi. Kopi vadatu. Kopi vadatu means anybody can say. Senapatina kasmin vibhakti asti. Hari.
Senapatina is second. No. Senapatina should be tool, instrumental. Third vibhakti.
Samichinam, samyak. Tritiya vibhakti. Senapatina. Dhanena vidya guruhu. Dhanena again is तृतीया विभक्ति अस्ति. धनात् विद्या गुरुतरा. पश्यतु सुंदर जी. गुरुतरा विद्या गुरुतरा पटुतरा. करोत् करेहे करेयम इस कुर्यात् कुर्याः कुर्याम इन विधिलिंग लकार. ओके. This को द्विवचन और बहुवचन we have already done बहुवचन, so we will not do that now. अभ्यास 4th point. ख को बहुवचन में बदलो we did already, and ग को बहुवचन में बदलो we already done. Now युष्मद् शब्द के पूरे रूप लिखो, कृ धातु के विधिलिंग और लिट के रूप लिखो. So when you have time, always a good idea to just write down and say it out. When the mind remembers, the mouth remembers what to say, how to say it. Final point. जायते. हरिजी वदतु भवान्. जायते सह जायते इति शब्दसः वाक्य रोच करोतु. वाक्य करोतु. वाक्यं करोतु.
Ayate is Pradama Purush Aham Rishikesh Jayate. Rishikesham no. Yeah, Rishikesham Rajayate.
जायते इति प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनः अस्ति. जायते. अहम इति उत्तम पुरुष अस्ति.
प्रथम पुरुष sorry. Rama Rishikesham Jayate.
ऋषिकेशात्.
Rishikeshat Jayate. Yeah.
but ऋषिकेशात् आगच्छति, रामः ऋषिकेशात् जायते effectively translates to Ramah is born from Rishikesh. Like Ramah, Ramasya matraha jayate. He is coming from his mother. Like how putraha bharyayaha jayate.
Okay, jayate.
So jayate is for born, birth, or it is
Born,
coming
okay.
from. So that will be bijaha, you can say. Bijat.
Oh, okay, jayate na mriyate, that jayate.
Ha, na jayate na mriyate, correct. So jayate is birth, right? संध्याजी वदतु भवान् उद्भवति उद्भवति सः एकं वाक्यं करोतु.
शिष्यात् गुणः गुणम् उद्भवति.
बहु समीचीनं. शिष्यात् गुणम् उद्भवति. ओके, फ्रॉम द शिष्य केम गुड क्वालिटीज. Not bad. It is not fully meaningful, but it is fairly sensible sentence. From the Shishya came good qualities, you can say.
But if you use that Rami, that for Shishya, the Saptami, right? So in Shishya, good qualities came. That
Good qualities asanti. Now we are talking about Udbhavati. Udbhavati always is with Panchami.
Is always with Panchami.
Udbhavati is never with Saptami. Udbhavati is never with anything else. Udbhavati is always only with Panchami. It has come from there.
Okay, you spend some time with Acharya and some good qualities are born in you.
That also is correct.
Right?
Correct.
So therefore, so you say in the
Acharya
Shishya,
Samipat Gunaha Udbhavanti.
Udbhavanti.
Bhavaneva
Yeah.
Vadatu with Tubhyam.
Tubhyam. Yeah. So Tubhyam is.
Kutra asti?
Yeah. So Tubhyam is Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. So therefore Tubhyam. So we have to say it is from him. So
Why? Not necessary. Okay, but you say. Bhavanavatu.
Tubhyam like Ramat, right?
Okay, little challenging. Maybe you can say first Udgachati. Bhavan Udgachati Saha iti vakyam karotu. Udgachati.
Udgachati is again sprouting up. So it's, like we have here Bija, Ankura, Udgachati. Bijat Ankuraha Udgachati.
Tubhyam is Chaturthi Vibhakti of Yushmad. Hariji athava Sandhyaji kopi vadatu Tubhyam iti shabdena saha kim vakyam future or asti kim vakyam asti. That is also okay.
Tubhyam namaste astu.
Bahu samichinam. Correct. Tubhyam namaste. I am doing namaskara to you. Samichinam. Tubhyam namaste astu. Bahu samik. Okay.
So how does it apply in the fourth vibhakti, this particular sentence? So
You
I am
only-
doing namaskara to you.
Two. Okay, so with Abhyasa 13, we have finished Panchami Vibhakti also. Saturday, Sunday off. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, we will do 4 Abhyasas quickly as usual. 14, 15, 16, 17. From next Monday, we are going to enter advanced Sanskrit. College level. So, next week, careful because whatever we do now will not come back. Whatever we do now is over now, next week. And that will be useful from the week afterwards. So I suggest just over the weekend or any time just to go through the first 13 Abhyasas as we have done and then be ready for 18th Abhyasa when the time comes. Okay. Any questions? Kopi prashnaha? Kopi prashnaha? No chet vayam समीचीनं वयं समीचीनं स्म वयं मण्डे इति दिने कक्षाम् आगच्छामः वयम् आगच्छामः ओके ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ